Welcome back to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of Mexico's most stunning destinations, Playa del Carmen. Located in the heart of the Riviera Maya, Playa del Carmen is not only famous for its white sand and clear blue waters, but also for its vibrant atmosphere and charming resort lifestyle. Come join us and enjoy all the wonderful things Playa del Carmen has to offer. Playa del Carmen is located in the Riviera Maya region of Mexico and has a charming tropical climate. It has a warm climate all year round, with average temperatures ranging from 23 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Summers are hot and humid, while winters are cooler. The people of Playa del Carmen are friendly and welcoming, with a diverse community of locals and visitors from all over the world. The culture here is strongly influenced by the ancient Mayan civilization and mixed with modern lifestyle, creating a colorful and dynamic living and working environment. Playa del Carmen stands out with its wonderful natural beauty, where the long beach covered with pure white sand blends with the clear blue sea water. The sunlight shines, creating sparkling rays on the sea surface, making the scene even more charming. Along the beach, you will see girls in bikinis relaxing in the sun, relaxing their bodies and enjoying the cool breeze from the sea. The beauty of the beach, combined with the relaxing moments of tourists, The coral ecosystem around Playa del Carmen is also very diverse and rich, with colorful coral reefs such as brain coral and flake coral, creating ideal areas for diving and watching marine life. The entire marine vegetation not only helps protect the coast from erosion, but also supports photosynthesis, contributing to maintaining air quality and ecological balance. Marine tourism plays an indispensable role in the economy of Mexico, especially in coastal areas such as Playa del Carmen. The marine tourism industry not only brings in a large amount of income from international tourists, but also creates millions of jobs for local people, from accommodation, food and beverage services to entertainment and tour guiding. Mexico's beautiful beaches and tropical climate attract tourists from all over the world, contributing to the development of infrastructure and investment in environmental conservation. Thank you for wandering on this wonderful discovery to Playa del Carmen and other beautiful beaches. If you love colorful travel videos and want to continue exploring more interesting seas around the world with us, don't forget to click the subscribe button and follow the channel. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing new and exciting experiences. Please share this video with your friends and family to enjoy wonderful moments from beautiful sea destinations together. Thank you very much and see you again in the next adventures.